Here's the truth. Standard AI searches, like that of ChatGPT, might look impressive, but they come with real limitations. They often give surface-level answers, stuck in what they already know, and rarely connect insights across multiple sources. So regular AI won't truly save your time or give you efficient results. In this video, I'll reveal 3 powerful AI tools designed for specific purposes and show you how to use them like a pro. With these tools, you can cut your research time by up to 90%, uncover insights faster, and deliver results that truly stand out. Whether you're into content creation, strategy, marketing, or problem solving, these AI hacks will supercharge your workflow and save you hours. Let's dive in. Trend scanning. Trend scanning can feel like an endless time sink, scrolling through feeds, hunting for what's actually relevant, and trying to spot real opportunities before everyone else does. Let me show you how I get real-time trend insights in seconds. That's where Grok becomes invaluable. By simply entering a topic and running a deep search, Grok scans live conversations across X and the wider web, surfacing the most relevant and up-to-date discussions happening right now. What used to take hours of manual trend hunting is now distilled into seconds of precise, reliable insight, helping you stay ahead with confidence and efficiency. For example, if I ask Grok to research trending Instagram Reels audio this week, within seconds it brings back not just the top tracks, but also the context behind why they're blowing up and how creators are using them. But you might wonder, why even use Grok when other tools already have deep search? Here's the thing. Grok isn't built to be a traditional research assistant. Instead, it's wired directly into X, which means it thrives on real-time conversations, trending topics, and cultural shifts as they happen. Where deep search goes wide and deep into reliable sources to give you structured, citation-heavy answers, Grok zooms in on the live pulse of the internet, spotting memes, surfacing public sentiment, and catching trends before they hit mainstream. So Grok spots the trends. But what good are trends if you can't verify them? That's where Perplexity steps in. Now let's talk fact-checking. A marketer asks ChatGPT for a competitor analysis on brand X. The AI gives a neat summary: strengths, weaknesses, audiences, but much of it is outdated, wrong, or from a single source. Even with web search, results are scattered, context is missed, and key updates slip through. Instead of minutes, the marketer spends hours cross-checking docs, reviews, social posts, and press releases to piece together an accurate picture, proving that normal AI can't reliably verify, timestamp, or aggregate insights. That's where Perplexity comes in. Unlike normal AI search, Perplexity doesn't just summarize, it verifies. If I want to ask for global e-commerce growth rate 2024 vs 2025 feed in Perplexity, here's what I get. It shows me the growth rate for 2024 at 8.9%, and for 2025 it's projected at 10.2%. But more importantly, I can see the sources right here. Why Perplexity over Grok or Gemini? Because fact-checking needs proof, not just answers. Perplexity splits queries, checks multiple credible sources, and delivers traceable citations, giving you receipts, not just noise. Now Grok has already spotted the trends. Perplexity has verified the facts. But here's the final roadblock. Even with trends and citations in hand, you still have to sit down and create the script, the blog, the deck, the report. And that eats hours. That's where Gemini steps in. Think of it as your research partner plus scriptwriter rolled into one. I asked Gemini, research how AI is changing content marketing. Create a 1,200-word YouTube script with pros, cons, and examples. Instead of giving me a list of bullet points, it ran a multi-step deep search, pulled from credible sources, and then handed me a fully structured script. An intro hook to grab attention, segments broken into pros/cons with data points, transitions I could read on camera, and even a conclusion with a call to action. Basically a ready-to-publish draft in minutes, not hours. So while Grok is your cultural radar, and Perplexity is your fact-checker with receipts, Gemini is your production studio. Now here's how I bring it all together. I use what I call the October 20th 30 workflow. First, I spend 10 minutes in Grok to capture the latest trends and hooks. Then, 20 minutes in Perplexity to turn those into a fact-checked brief with credible, up-to-date sources. Finally, 30 minutes in Gemini to expand everything into a polished script, blog, or carousel copy. In just about an hour, I can go from a raw idea to content that's ready to publish without the endless scrolling, fact-checking, or drafting from scratch. If you found this helpful, don't just stop here. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss the next update. And if you're a startup, SME, or enterprise looking to build future-ready digital solutions, that's exactly what we do at Blue Era Softtech. We are a software development company, and our mission is to empower startups, SMEs, and enterprises to accelerate their digital transformation. From custom software, web, and mobile app development, to cloud engineering, RPA automation, UI/UX design, and enterprise-grade applications, we build everything to be secure, scalable, and performance-driven. What sets us apart is our focus on innovation, transparency, and putting our clients first. If you have an idea and want to bring it to life with future-ready technology, we'd love to be your partner in that journey.